Next, human eye. Human eye functions on the principle of sensation of vision. Okay, here we are enables to observe the object which is present in front of eyes, means because of light scattered from them and falls our eyes. So that's why we are enables to observe the object which is present in front of our eyes. Okay, next concept is least distance of distinct vision. Least distance of distinct vision. Okay, what is the meaning of least distance of distinct vision? Means we understood this concept by doing activity. Okay, you observe here, this is your textbook. Okay, 10th class physical science textbook. Okay, in this book take a textbook. Okay, take a textbook and hold it with your hands in front of your eyes. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. Take a textbook and hold it with your hands and in front of you. Okay, now try to read the printed content on the page. Okay, here now try to read the content which is present on the page. Now slowly move the book towards your eyes. Okay, like this. Okay, move very near to your eyes. Okay, when you bring like this, in that time you said the printed letters, you are unable to read the content, it is present in the textbook. Okay, it is present in the paper. Okay, here you says that the printed letters are appears blurred. Okay, the printed letters are appeared blurred, your eyes will be get more strain. Yes or no? So now try to move the textbook backwards. Okay, now slowly move the textbook backwards like this. Okay, where you can observe the printed letters clearly. Ask to your friend to find out the distance between your eyes and textbook. Okay, find out the distance between your eyes and textbook. Okay, repeat this activity with your friends and find out what is the average of textbook and eyes. Okay, here is least distance of distinct vision is 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters. In that time only you are able to observe the printed content on the textbook. Okay, this value is called least distance of distinct vision. Okay, here at young age the muscles around the eye are strong, so it can bear more strain. The least distance of distinct vision will be 7 to 8 centimeters. Okay, here next, in old age people the muscles around the eye are weak. In that time it cannot bear more strain, so that's why the least distance of distinct vision will be changed okay, 1 to 2 meters. Okay, 1 to 2 meters. Okay, from this activity we observe that what is the least distance of distinct vision means 25 centimeters. Okay.